Hi, Croma Campus staff. I am Hassan Khames from Sudan. In first, I thank Croma Campus for warm welcome and kind hospitality. I thank also trainer to learn us good material to be development now and in advance in future. Also, I thank Croma Campus staff to give us great content, so that I learned a lot of the Django, Python Django framework and Vue.js in deep. I appreciate the effort put into the program. In a special way, I thank Ma'am Diva to do what she has to do to make this course success, and also Mr. Bahrat to fix our management issue on time. Also about trainer, first Mr. Nikhil. I think he's have expert in Python. He learned us Python fundamental in simple way. After that, Mr. Gaurav Sharma, he make IT concept simple to understand, and he learned us by implement step by step all of things, so that he give us a future vision to be developer. In last, Mr. Raul, he learned us also how to learn and how to implement concept in a smart way. In last, I thank also Mr. Sama and other people on roof to present us nice coffee, delicious Indian food with a little spicy, or sometimes as Amir Khan say, minus spicy. So we appreciate that. And I hope to be here in India again to do advanced learning in this situation. Thank you.